everyone, it's Shayna from WTI. So recently I was in the market for some curtain tiebacks because I do have these really thick curtains, and when I saw these, I knew these were the ones. These are the WHAMZ33W curtain tiebacks in this elegant pearl ball design. I do love that it has a strong magnet so it will hold your curtain in seconds. I do love that it's also anti-rust, so it'll protect your curtains or draperies. I do love to put it on backwards and tighten it around and then secure it with the magnet so I know that my curtains are secure and won't come apart. These pearl tiebacks have a touch of class and elegance without overpowering your decor, and that's my point of view.